So this is a video about the derivation of the quadratic formula. Start with the formula ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Subtract c from both sides. So we're left with ax squared plus bx equals negative c. We're trying to get x alone, or x squared alone, so we divide a from both sides. So we have x squared plus b over ax equals negative c over a. The next line is we start with completing the square because that's what we have to do next here. So it's ax squared plus b over ax plus b over 2a squared equals negative c over a plus, since we have to add to both sides, b over 2a squared. Now we're trying to get rid of the squared, or the squared signs, so we're gonna square root these, and it's square root of x plus b over 2a squared equals the square root of negative c over a plus b squared over 4a, since we factored that out. So down here we got rid of this, so now it's x plus b over 2a equals, and we combine these terms by finding common denominators. Now we have negative 4ac plus b squared over 4a squared under square root sign. We come down here and we still have x plus b over 2a equals plus or minus the square root of, just rearranging terms, b squared minus 4ac. We used this squared sign on the bottom part to get over 2a, and then we subtracted this b over 2a from both sides, and because it was over 2a, we can combine common denominator over here. So now we have the opposite of b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, and that's how you get the quadratic formula using completing the square. Now an example of completing the square is right here. We start out with the formula x squared plus 6x plus 10 equals 0. X squared plus 6x minus equals negative 10, because we subtract 10 from both sides. And then we leave some space to complete the square, and then I divided by 2 here, which was 3, and then squared that, which is 9. So it's x squared plus 6x plus 9, and you add 9 to both sides here to even it out. You factor that to get x plus 3 squared, and then this is now negative 1 because of adding 9. And then you find the square, you get rid of this, so it's x plus 3 equals plus or minus the square root of negative 1, which is also equal to plus minus I, and then you're left with the final answer of x equals negative 3 plus or minus I. Thanks for watching.